Is it okay now?
Action!
Someone may ask, we have been in the field of laser welding for over 20 years. It must have so many stories, right? So what is the motivation to impetus us to make the handheld welding machine? Several years ago, there was a client. We set the program for them over 6 hours. But the production only took 1 hour. That is why we developed the first handheld welding machine on the world. 8 years ago, all the manufacturers were still using the MIG or TIG. The handheld laser one, never heard of it. As you can see, the volume of this machine is pretty big and heavy. But the product was very popular in China because of its high efficiency, better quality, and portable. Besides, even a novice who never held can do the welding by this machine. Now we innovate this 3-in-1 handheld air cooling laser welder. It is the first, the smallest, and the lightest across the world. You can use it in your studio, your basement, your backyard garage, even your trunk to make your ideas come true. It gets rid of the trouble of bulky transportation, the replacement of the frozen liquid, but even has a better welding effect than the old generation. Small heated effective zone, smooth welds, no grinding needed, stable quality on various materials, suitable for complex processing like butt, corner, stack, and overlap welding.